Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do a 3-minute spelling practice using the group 3 letter sounds. And of course, this will include group 2 and group 1 as well. If you want your child to strengthen their spelling skills, then this video is really good for you. But before anything else, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Do you want to make our spelling fun? Well, if you want, then be ready with your paper and pencil and let's get started. Scramble the letters to write the correct spelling word. The first one is sun. Sun. You have 10 seconds to spell the word sun. Here's how you spell the word sun. Now, you can check if your spelling is correct. The next word is rat. Rat. Here you go. This is how you spell the word rat. Now, you can check your spelling word if it's correct. Next word we have here hit. Spell the word hit. Now, you can check if your spelling word is correct. Here's how you spell the word hit. Our next word is big. Big. You have 10 seconds to spell the word big. Here you go. And here's how you spell the word big. Put a tick to spell it correctly. Our next word is pause. Pause. Again, 10 seconds for you to spell the word pause. This is how you spell the word pause. If you got it right, then you can put a tick on it. Our next word is fan. Fan. 10 seconds for you to spell the word fan. Here you go. This is how you spell the word fan. Awesome! You just completed our 3-minute spelling practice. Hope you had fun and enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to leave your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you on our next one. Bye everyone, have a great day.